Welcome to my car and friends. I am at one of those cleaning stations where you can self-serve and use those products to clean the inside of your car after you have done the body. My recommendation is don't use them on the plastics because they are going to remove everything, all the protection, all the nice and shiny things which is on the plastic. After a while you are going to see everything is going to be gone. My only recommendation is to use a cloth, a microfiber which is humid, and just remove the dust, and this is it. Those are kind of instant gratification, but after a while you are going to see your entire dashboard is going to look like dull, and it's going to be worse and worse, and the more you are going to do it, the duller it's going to be. So just use a microfiber, and I'm going to show you. I have one. You use a microfiber, you use the vacuum cleaner, the vacuum cleaner is good. You put a little bit, if you want, a little bit of water on it, and this is it. But no alcohol and you can see this car is 20-year-old. You can see that everything is in perfect condition, and the reason is that nobody has been using those alcohol products on them. A car which has been regularly cleaned with alcohol would not look that nice. I bought a car from a cleaner maniac, and as you can see, everything in the dashboard was gone. Nowadays, a lot of portion of the dashboard, it's actually paint. So if you use alcohol products, the paint is going to go away. That was the cruise control. That was for the windows on the passenger side and the back. Everything was destroyed. Same recommendation for the leather. Don't use those products. Just use a regular soap as they would sell for equestrian activities. The proof is in the pudding. I know it won't be as shiny if you use water and cloth, but the car will last way longer. So again, water, microfiber, vacuum cleaner, and you are going to be very good for a long time if you want to keep your car. If you have any questions, please ask them through the comment section, and there might be a link if you want to buy some microfiber tissues on an affiliate link. So microfiber like this one. Thank you very much for watching this video, and do not hesitate to ask any questions on the comment section.